Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see your card number on Apple Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead first, open up your wallet app on your phone. Now there's two things that you have to make sure of. If you simply want to know your Apple Pay card's number, then you can simply tap on your card, and then you're going to tap on this three dot and tap on this account, that's card info. Then you simply have to provide some verification for that matter, which can be your face ID or your password. Once you have done that, or your pin code, once you have done that, you will be able to check out your card's information, which will include the name, card number, expiration date, security code, etc. Now if you've been wondering whether you can check out card number of another card as well, another bank's card listed in your wallet, now for that you're gonna go back, gonna do the same thing. You're gonna tap on your particular card and tap on three dot and tap on card info. So for that, you can see you're gonna find this interface. So for that, this matter for other banks, you will only have four numbers visible of your card for the security measure only, so it won't be easily accessible for it to affect you badly. So that is simply the situation for all the other cards, and that is it. So you have to access your physical card for you to see the full number. That is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in the next video.